Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to make shrimp pakora. I am going to use baby shrimp, chopped onion, coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves which I have chopped, ginger garlic paste, gram flour, salt, red chili powder. Apart from this, we are going to use oil for cooking. So now the very first thing that we are going to do, we are going to marinate these baby shrimps. So we add the gram flour now. Add a little salt. This is a very famous Bengali dish which is also known as Chingri Macher Bora. We are adding red chili powder. We'll add the ginger garlic paste. Little chopped onion, coriander leaves, now we'll mix everything together. These baby shrimps should be washed properly before making this. So our mixture is ready. Let's see whether it binds or not. Yes, it's perfect. So now we'll start frying them. You can make cakes like this and keep it ready for frying. Okay. So our mustard oil is heated. I am using mustard oil for frying the pakora. Slowly we'll drop the pakoras into the kadhai. Be careful because the oil is very hot. First we'll cook it on a slow flame. And we'll cook both the sides. Just before taking it out, we will increase the flame so that it becomes crisp. Now we are going to flip it on the other side and cook. We'll cook on the other side also. So it is cooked on both the sides. I have increased the flame now. It's done. We'll remove it from the oil. And we'll do the same with rest of the pakoras. We'll fry them all. Our very yummy prawn pakoras are now ready. As you can see, you can sprinkle lemon juice on this and serve it to your guest, or you yourself can enjoy this. Isn't it very easy? I hope you liked my recipe. So for more of my recipes, log on to my website, which is www.susanrecipes.com, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.